Bonjour les amis! Welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is a busy place with lots of tall buildings and street. La ville. Can you say that with me? La ville. That means the city or the town in French. In La Ville, there's so many fun places to explore and people to see. Fred and Renette are taking a walk downtown today. Fred puts on his sunglasses. J'adore la ville, Renette. There's so much to do. Renette points to the ground beneath their feet. Look, how long is la rue? La rue is the street. We always look both ways before crossing la rue. Fred stops and points across the street to a bright window. Look at the magasin! Le magasin is the store. That magasin has tasty bakery treats and toys inside. Renette smiles and points down the road to a green open space. And look! Right next to the store, there's Le Parc. Le Parc is the park. Fred and Renette love to play on the swings in Le Parc. Fred and Renette take a seat on the park bench, enjoying all the sights and sounds of La Ville. So, let's remember. La ville is the city or the town. La rue is the street. Le magasin is the store. Et le parc is the park. Bravo les amis! Do you live in une ville or near un parc? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French words every week. À bientôt!